Hi, welcome back. My name's Scott. Today we're showing you VEVOR's. This is a LED bottle display shelf. Now, obviously you guys can use this shelf for more than just simple bottles. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys. It looks like it comes mostly complete, which is awesome. So the display comes intact. You have two tier. You have the first row and then you have the bottom row. And again, you can use this for anything, you know, for figures or... Okay, so the bag was open. All right, let's pull out the accessories. But yeah, you can use this to display anything and everything that you want. All right, power supply adapter. Plug into your standard wall. All your accessories in here. So that's kind of how it's designed, but again, you can use it for more than just bottles. Okay, go ahead and pull the little plastic out of the remote control, which very nice remote. You have tons of different settings, and there's also an app you can download. Refer to the manual for that. So another cool thing is if you have a power bank and you don't want to use a wall outlet, you can use this with any USB port. So you can even use this with a game system. Any USB port can power this. There's also a little control modular on here, and you just simply turn this over and you connect it. There's going to be an arrow pointing on both connectors. Make sure you line up the arrow and then just connect it like that. Okay, now we can see how it lights up, and this is so cool. So that's automatic mode. We can turn it on and off with the remote. We can have mode 1, another mode, tons of different modes this thing has. You can up the brightness or lower the brightness as well. You can change the speed. So we can make it slower. We can have just a solid color, as you can see here. Green, blue, yellow, another blue, purple. You have a timer, and of course you can do it with white. You have color. So this actually lets you switch between all these different colors here. Different shades of the colors, which is really cool. You can have lock mode. So by pressing, nothing changes. You can unlock it. You can have it to go with music. You can change all that. So as you can see, as I talk, it goes faster. You can set another where it doesn't show anything other than talking, which is really cool. So there's a lot of fun settings with this. Very nice. Absolutely love it. And here's how it looks if you have something setting on top. So this is a glass bottle. You can display knives, all kinds of stuff, and you can see that really cool reflection. This is really nice. Like, I like this a lot. We might have to get a couple of these for our Funko Pops and some other stuff, because this is really cool. This is really, really, really awesome. This definitely gets a screen. Products that I really love get a green card. And green card means that it's something I absolutely fully endorse. I fully love. I think it's a really awesome design. The fact that it comes put together already is excellent. I think it makes excellent for a bottle, for Funko Pop, for gold, silver, for desktop figures, anything and everything. I think this works excellent for. Absolutely 100% green card for Scott, and that is a pass, which means that is a product that I absolutely love. 100%.